Hi guys, I'm going to show you how to do this SAP. It's gonna be storing your client's information from your enrollment form inside your credit repair cloud. So if you have credit repair cloud, you can do this SAP to store the client that has already enrolled. And let's start this. So you go to zapier.com if you already have an account. You click here, create a SAP. You're gonna see this, and you choose open editor, and this is how it looks. So basically you need to have a trigger, something that will need to start in order to continue with an action. So you can choose any app or you can just find it. So I'm gonna use Jotform because I want that to be the trigger. It means that after a person completes that form, something is going to happen. So I click on Jotform. If you make a mistake, you just go back and change and select your app. But in this case, I choose it correctly. And then the trigger event means that something should happen. So it's a new submission, and you can see everything here that they allow you to do. So click on new submission, continue, and then it's gonna ask you to select your Jotform account. I already have one here, but you can just click here, connect a new account, and it will take you directly to this. You just answer no, and then you click here, complete your login information. After you do it, it will take you back and it will be connected. But in this case, I already have it here. So let's choose this, continue, and there is this form, enrollment form. If you have more, you can choose the one that you want. Continue. Now it's gonna ask you to test the trigger. It's gonna bring some information from your last client. I'm not gonna show you that information because it's personal, so I'm gonna click continue. And then the action, after you finish that, you can see this. It means that it's correct, everything is set up here, and now you're gonna trigger the action. So what do you want to do? You want Credit Repair Cloud. You want that information to be stored inside Credit Repair Cloud. And what is the action? Let's see what I can find here. It gives you all these options, and you want to create a client, or let's do something else. Well, let's keep it that way. So create a client, continue. I already have the Credit Repair Cloud software. What you should do is you're gonna go to and get your APIs, and that is located. I'm going to show you. It's located here in APIs automations. You go to my company first. I'm sorry. Go to my company, API, and then API credentials. Then you can see your API key. You copy this, select it, Control C, and then you paste it. As you can see, it disappeared, but if you go back, you will see it in the back. And you just click the inside Credit Repair Cloud, and the secret. Copy. Yes, continue, and you will be set up. But in this case, I already have it. Then let's click continue. And now what you are going to do is this. The first name, you're gonna click here and you're gonna find the field that says name or first name. It has to match, because what it's going to do is what this data, as you can see, this is Jotform. Can you look at the pencil? It means that it's going to take the information from Jotform and it's going to add it inside Credit Repair Cloud. So in Credit Repair Cloud, there's a first name. So you're gonna have to find the field that has the name on Jotform. And then you click here and it's gonna be right there. Last name, you're gonna have it here, field last name. If you in your enrollment form you have a middle name, you just have to find it here. In this case, I only have name and last name. Then the email. Those are the important information that you need to store from your client. Email, address, phone number. So let's see if I can find the email. Okay, fields email. Of course, this is a template. That enrollment form is an example. So it doesn't have a, yeah, it has the questions that I asked my clients, but you find the email, click here, and then the mobile phone number. Phone number, where's the phone number? Oh, it's right here. Click here. Be careful each time you add something, because sometimes if you do it fast, it will add it many times. So then you're gonna have the social, birthday, and then you select everything that you need, right? Birthday, address, street address, let's see, what is it? Okay, street address, line 2. We should find the line 1. Fields, address. I don't know why the S is missing, the other S. So, say anything. That's an example. City. That's why I like to create a form with many questions. In this case, I put the city, the address separate in the form, so I can also add it inside Credit Repair Cloud, and it's separate. City. Where's the city? Okay, so this questionnaire doesn't have the city, but you should add it. And zip code and country. In memo, you can add anything you want, like you don't need to, but if you wanna add the referral, who referred it, referred it, or about the plan, about the open questions. For example, do you currently have a bankruptcy? You can add it here, and then you can just put have bankruptcy, and it will be here. It will be only the answer. It doesn't show you the name of the field. So let's leave it like that. Let's click continue. Then I'm not gonna do this because I don't have a Credit Repair Cloud software, and I am working with a client, and I don't want it to be stored inside her Credit Repair Cloud. So what you should do is you're gonna click Test and Review. After you click Test and Review, let me see. Let me try it. A client was sent. It will be client was sent. My client's going to forgive me. I'm gonna delete it, but you should see this. If you don't see this, there's an error. And then you turn on the SAP, or right here, and then every time someone completes your enrollment form, you're gonna have that be stored inside your Credit Repair Cloud as a client. So let's see. As you can see, this is the new client. Of course, I'm going to delete it because it's 4 in the morning. 4:34. Key. Okay. And there you have it. I hope this video helps someone. Thank you.